Okay, hello everyone. So today I would like to share my idea about um create a application that it apply to all the student. So I feel like everyone needs to be more chatting on what do we want to do, especially a student when student start their their school or semester on. They have no direction how to um, what do they need to study, what do they need to prepare for the class or something, right? So I wish that I so we are creating the application that is providing an opportunity to all the students. When they put all their class in it, and they will know all the materials, what they will be teaching, and how do you get a preparation for that before the class start. So, and especially, so I study computer science. So when you start the class, you have no idea what the professor is talking about, right? So I think uh, the application what we create, so we will wish that it helps them to build um, to get a direction of knowing the foundation knowledge of the class. So, and I think that will be helping the freshmen. And if you're senior, I think it will be help you as well, so that you can plan on what do you need to study on or what do you do in the future. That's it.